Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Question number 37, NEET Physics paper 2014. Students, let us solve the question. Student, the question is 37, number 37, and it is about the focal length and magnifying power. If the focal length of objective lens is increased, so what is increased? FO is increased. Then magnifying power of microscope will increase, telescope will decrease, telescope both will increase. That means what will happen to the magnifying power of telescope as well as microscope, that we will discuss. That means you have to first write the magnifying power for both the telescope and microscope. The magnifying power of telescope is given by FO over FE, and this is the formula for magnifying power of telescope. Now, if FO increases, it's given that FO has to be increased. This is the condition. So this is the magnifying power of the telescope. If FO increases, then this will also increase. So first thing is that magnifying power of telescope will increase. Telescope increases here, telescope decreases here. This is not possible. Telescope will increase, both will increase. Telescope decreases, telescope will not decrease. So out of these two, we have to pick which one is correct. What is the magnifying power of microscope? The formula is V0 by U0 into 1 plus D by Fe. This is the formula for magnifying power of microscope. Now, you have to write this in terms of FO. We know that for a microscope, this V0, that is the image, where the image is formed, V0, and the object distance, that is the image distance, the object distance in front of the objective, the first lens, convex lens. The object is placed here, that is object distance creates object distance, and the image formed creates the image distance V0. Now, I can write this V0 and this U0. I can keep this U0 as the focal length of objective. That is, if this is a lens, I keep the focus of this lens is here, objective lens. If I keep the object here, then this distance U0 becomes FO. So approximately I can say that this is FO, and I keep this as the length L of the microscope. Approximate, if I use this expression, then you can see that if FO increases, this will decrease because this is reciprocal. This will decrease. So the magnifying power of microscope will decrease, but telescope will increase. Magnifying power of microscope will decrease. Decrease is this one, but that of telescope will increase this one. So this is the right answer. Okay. So the magnifying power of microscope will decrease and that of telescope will increase. So this is the answer to this question. Okay. Thank you.